In front of me is REDMI Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Then tap on All Services. Scroll down to hit Autofill with Google. And click on Google Password Manager. Now tap on any password you wish to check. Enter your screen lock. And click on this eye icon right next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!